Hi, and thanks for joining us today for an overview of ImageQuest. Our IQmfp and IQscan products allow simple document capture from HP devices. Our goal is to provide inexpensive document management solutions to small and medium-sized businesses. Why document management? Usually the goals would include a reduction in costs, an increase in productivity and efficiency, an improvement in customer value by better serving and retaining your clients. It's important in today's world that you integrate documents into your business workflow, which allows the improvement of knowledge sharing throughout your office. Also, security and confidentiality and compliance are issues that we all deal with. So for the next 5 to 7 minutes, we're going to talk about document capture, both paper documents and Windows files, document storage, document retrieval, and finally some document workflow. First, let's start with document capture. Using the HP ScanJet series of scanners, ImageQuest provides a simple ability to capture information related to documents. The IQscan screen is completely configurable regardless of your needs. HP also makes a full line of document scanners that would be appropriate for most uses today. In addition to the scanners, HP also makes a full line of MFPs, or multifunction printers. Again, appropriate for every use, from digital sending through full color printing. Any documents can be attached to the ImageQuest application simply by scanning to a folder. Regardless of the scanner type, as long as you can get a TIFF image into a folder on your network, ImageQuest can work with that document. Documents that are scanned, either from MFPs or scanned to folders, would be indexed manually. The indexing process simply consists of describing the document, which consists of a definable document type, and then the attributes that are involved with that document type being populated by the user. Keep in mind that the document types are configurable and all of the data elements can be configured to match your needs. Simply moving through the process within the indexer allows you to split the documents apart into the appropriate documents that they are, and then save them within the system. In the event that your document volume would not allow manual indexing, or if you simply prefer the idea of automated indexing, ImageQuest supports a full range of opportunities including barcoding, optical character recognition, zonal OCR, which allows the definition to be created for a certain area of the screen and information to be extracted, intelligent document recognition, which uses a combination of OCR and mark recognition to intelligently identify documents. Fuzzy logic allows database lookups and comparisons for accuracy of the information. In today's world, documents do not exist just as paper. You have everything from electronic documents and email that are created to network faxes that are received and electronic forms that are created as well. ImageQuest allows the input of these documents via various connectors. In this example, there's a button labeled Send to ImageQuest that will allow you to capture Outlook email messages and their related attachments. You also have the capability of attaching these types of connectors within various Windows applications, including word processing systems like Word and WordPerfect. Beyond that, any Windows file that exists on your network can be navigated to and then sent into the ImageQuest system. You'll notice with all these examples that your document type is selectable, so whether it's an HR application, purchasing, accounting, what have you, you have the capability of capturing the documents and the information you need to find them in the future. ImageQuest is also available for integration into a number of different systems. Again, network fax, accounts payable, ERP, CRM, electronic medical records, even custom solutions can be integrated with ImageQuest easily for the extraction of data related to the documents. File storage in ImageQuest is not accomplished via folders. This traditional methodology used by many people today is very ineffective with regard to finding and controlling your documents. Instead, ImageQuest stores all of its documents in a secure repository after the documents have been processed with OmniPage Professional for text extraction. Windows files are saved in their native file formats, and scanned pages are converted to PDFs. The solution within ImageQuest allows a secure repository with your own definable structure to provide documents that are fully searchable, secure, and robust. For document retrieval, ImageQuest offers a simple search interface that allows you to search amongst various document types and data elements that can be created. In this example, we're searching both via a client name as well as some keywords on the document. Clicking the search button will return the results and give us context with regard to that word within that document. Finally, clicking on the document title will allow the document to be retrieved as a PDF. It will also show each and every instance of that keyword as it exists within the document. Some simple document workflows are packaged within the ImageQuest application. You recall the search screen where we found a document. In this case, we found all documents related to Informa software. You'll notice on the left that we have a complete document history that includes revisions in every view of the document. Notes will allow annotation to the document and provide an easy view within the document context. Other actions that can be performed within the documents are exposed via a toolbar or the right-click menu, and include functions like Save a Local Copy, which is useful for exporting a document from ImageQuest for use within another system. This function simply allows you to pick a location where the document will be stored. You also have the capability of emailing a document directly from ImageQuest. Simply select the document, right-click, or pick the appropriate toolbar item, and the document email will be constructed. Any notes or additions to the email can be made before it's sent. Routing a document basically provides ad hoc workflow. In this example, a user is selected, the document is sent to that user with a notification that there's action that is required. Finally, export to folder allows documents to be selected and then sent to any location within your network environment or written to a CD. Why ImageQuest? First, the full-text search capability provides significant advantages over those offered within the Windows file folder structure. Imagine the ability to find any document simply by a keyword that you know exists within that document. The security and audit trail provided with ImageQuest is also far superior to that provided within the Windows folder structure. You have the capability of tracking the use of every document within your system. ImageQuest is made available by Informa at about half the cost of traditional document management systems. It's easy to implement and also includes easy utilities for migration from your current folder structure. Finally, Informa has partnered with HP to provide the seamless integration for a complete document management solution. In today's world, everyone uses technology. Take a second to read the following statement. Thanks for taking time to view this demonstration today.